Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you're new here, and today I brought you this gorgeous crochet earrings tutorial. They're very easy to be made, beginner friendly, and they only take a couple of minutes to be prepared. If you are the first time in this video and you would like to also prepare this necklace and bracelet, I'm linking the video for this tutorial as well. If you're ready with your earrings, don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms as well, such as TikTok or Instagram, and show them to me. I would love to see your work. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in a Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. If you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for these projects. We are going to use 100% cotton yarn. These are size 2 yarns from Trasfere Fiocco. I'm going to place the name on the screen. We're going to use a 2.5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, 2 wooden beads. These are 8mm each one of them, and a scissor. We are going to start by making a slip knot. So insert 2 of your fingers, rotate it, grab the longer yarn and pull it out. Grab the crochet hook and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now yarn over and have a look. 1, 2, 3, the third chain. We're going to make very loosely. We're going to yarn over, have a look, 5 times. So yarn over, insert it in the third. Keep it very loose, I repeat. So 1, 1, same loop, 2, yarn over, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over and pull over in all of the loops. Yarn over and pull it through. We created this little puff stitch here. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we still have this last loop. We are going to insert here the crochet hook and make a slip stitch. Turn it around, add this little initial starting yarn here, and we are going to crochet over them, so at least later you will not have any worry about get rid of it. So we are going to make 8 times single crochets into this loop that we just created. Yarn over and pull over in both of the 2. Second, pull over in both of the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might need to make some space, so I'm pulling it down. 8. At this point, we can cut this excess yarn, and then we're gonna look for this spot where we joined the puff stitch top together with the slip stitch. So there is this little hole here. We're gonna insert the crochet hook here and make a slip stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And again in the back part, 1 under this puff stitches stitch, we're gonna grab the last chain and make a slip stitch. just like this. Then turn this loop that we just created up and make 8 times single crochets in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull this down so you have more space, 6, 7, and finally 8. Again, look for that spot here where we joined the puff stitches together, and then we're gonna insert a crochet hook there and make a slip stitch. So this is one of the circles we created. We need to have 5 in total from this. I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, so we need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now yarn over and very loosely, making the 3rd stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 5 times yarn over. So 1, insert, pull out, keep it loose. 2nd, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, then finally yarn over, 5th, yarn over, pull over in all of them, then yarn over and secure this little puff that we just created, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 under, we still have this stitch, just insert in this one, make a slip stitch, keep this loop that we just created up, and in this space we're gonna make 8 times single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make some more space, 6, 7, and 8. Finally, have a look, the top part of this puff stitch, this stitch we are going to insert and make a slip stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So in the last stitch here, we're going to insert the crochet hook, this one, grab the yarn, pull it over, and now we will make 8 times single crochets again inside in this loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, gonna make some space, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, we are going to look for the top part of this puff stitch. In my case is here, and make a slip stitch, just like this. So we created right now 2 of these. We need to have 5 in total, and I'm going to be waiting you once the 5th one is ready. All right, now we are done with the 5. Okay, so we are just going to chain 1, leave some excess tail and cut the yarn. Pull out this excess yarn and secure it. Now add the yarn needle and have a look. When you're putting them together, this is kind of covering the under one, and this is covering the under. This is covering, and this should go a little bit under. So just like this, they keep covering each other. You see? Some part is covering and some part is out. And then now we're gonna have to stitch this part together. So I'm going to guide this yarn towards that place from the back. Going to pull it forward and down. And now we just hit this point where they meet. And I'm going to stitch them together. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, and we need to stitch them nicely together. Now we're just going to add the 2 wooden beads. So 1 and 2, we're gonna pull it back here. We're going to insert back at the same spot, pull it out, make sure that you will have the loop here, and then we're going to insert it back at the same spot here on the earring. Pull it down. Make sure that you keep this little loop. Here we're gonna add now the earring hanger. We're just gonna add it here and close. Then we're gonna pull onto this excess yarn here. And then we're going to make a couple of stitches in the back and make sure that we're securing it. And once you feel like you're nicely secured, you can just cut the excess yarn, and one of the earring is ready. Don't forget to make another one from this. So our gorgeous crochet earrings just got ready, and I think they turn out very, very beautiful. I really like them, and I would love to hear actually what you think about them as well. And don't forget to show them to me by tagging me on my other social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. If you would like to crochet the necklace and bracelet as well, you can find the link below this video. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. For now, take care, and I'll see you very soon.